In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to print a borderless A4 or letter size photo on the HP Envy Photo 7975 printer series. So let's load some A4 or letter size photo paper into the main tray. Remove the paper from the main tray and we'll load in some A4 photo paper. Now, you need to load with the printing side facing downwards. Remember to use the width adjuster. Next, on the control panel, select main tray. Select the paper type to be photo paper. We are now ready to print a borderless A4 photo. Let's start up HP app. If you are new to the channel, we do a lot of tech reviews as well as how-to videos. So please give us a like and subscribe. Tap on the printer icon. Select Print Photos. We'll print this photo. Make sure to select Main Tray. And the paper size is A4 and photogloss paper. Go to Layout. Ensure Fill is selected. Go to Next. Do a final check for the paper size, type and source. Let's print. And this is the borderless A4 photo that was printed on the HP Envy Photo 7975 printer series.